What's up, guys? Welcome to Reviews by Ronan. So, just to answer the question of Don Don. So, the question is, maliit lang po ba yan? So, let's just measure it. Yan. So, this is the Topic hair powder. Yan. Sa cm tayo, no? Or sa metric. So, this is around 12 centimeters. Yan, 12 centimeters. And around 7.5 inches. That's the height. And the diameter is 4 centimeters. And sa inches naman, it's around 1.5 inch. So, medyo malaki na siya. So, the palm of my hands, yan. So, this big. And for the sprayer, yan. Kasing size lang itong topper or yung head cap. For size comparison,